Yeah, easy where I am. Yeah. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in the white one.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever, and I'm back with another video. So as you can see by the title of this video, I'm just gonna be talking a little bit about my first week in college. So today is Friday. So I finally had my first full week of college, and yeah, I just want to talk about it a little bit. I don't know if I want to make it like a series where I like document my college experience. I don't know, but yeah. So I'm just gonna kind of talk about it and tell you guys a little bit about it and what it's like. I'm going to a private college. I'm going to Mercy College. I commute there every day by the train. Yeah, I don't even know where I'm going with this video. Kind of just talking about it. It's only been my first week, but honestly, it's not as bad as I thought. I thought I would be like flooded with homework and everything, but I'm already pretty ahead with some of my assignments. You know, keeping up isn't much hard work. I will say that it's really expensive. Like, the textbooks that I need are expensive. I have to buy a code. Like, it's just involves so much money, and it doesn't make sense. Like, for what? Like, a degree? Like, what? So many people live their everyday life without this degree. Like, why is it so expensive? But so yeah, it's not that bad academic wise. Socially, like making friends and stuff like that, I haven't made any friends yet. I'm friends with like this one kid because we went to high school together. We have like a few classes together, and other than that, I haven't made any friends. I haven't really talked to anybody, except for like this one girl. We had like the slightest interaction. She tripped, and then we were kind of just like laughing at it. That's like the most interaction I've had with like anybody in there besides the people from my school. Because it's like in college, no one's really focused on making friends. Well, at least that's what I've got so far. Sorry, can you not? That's my sister laughing. I don't know if she's laughing at me, but yeah. So yeah, I haven't talked to anybody, and in college, it's like people are really not worried about making friends. They're just basically there to just get out. That's literally how I feel. Like, after this week, it just really motivated me to just push myself to get out of there. Because after that, the 4 years, I can finally just breathe. It's not like I don't want to go to college. I do, because I feel like going to college is an option, and I choose to go because I feel like I want like a backup plan. It's like something to fall back on. So like I'm gonna get this degree. By the time I graduate, I'll be 21, and at that time I can finally make decisions of my own, think my own. I feel like I'll be more of who I am, have a better understanding of who I am, a better understanding of the world, and then I can really take on my dreams and my passions. And if my dreams and my passions don't work out, which I feel like they would, because I feel like I'm a pretty ambitious person. I feel like I'm pretty determined. So I feel like if they don't work out, which I highly doubt that they will, then I'll just have something to fall back on. Feel me? Overall, I just really want to be successful in life, and I feel like college, though it's pretty pointless, not pretty, but though it's pointless, it's a good backup plan, you know. And especially if you have, you know, financial aid and stuff like that, and there's ways for you to get through it, then I feel like you should. But if you really just feel like you shouldn't be there, then don't be there. The professors, I don't know, for me, college, it's, well, if you don't go like away to university, if you just commute, it's pretty much like high school. But just like with a little twist, you just have a little bit more freedom. People really aren't on you as much. If you don't complete your assignments, if you aren't up to date with your, if you're just not there, then that's on you. Like, no one's gonna remind you, no one's gonna tell you this, no one's gonna tell you that. You just gotta really be organized and know what to do, what day, and just like plan out your time. Like, I learned all of this throughout 1 week. So, and this is only the first week, and I know like when you first start off it's pretty easy, but then as you continue it gets harder. I'm scared for that. I just really don't want my college experience to feel like a drag. Like, I just don't want it to be like, feel like high school, like, or like school, where you just feel like, oh, I just have to go. College, you don't have to go, you're there as a choice. You know what I mean? I just don't want to feel like I have to be there. Like, I don't want to feel like dead while I'm there. Feel me? I have classes Monday through Thursday. Fridays are off. Yeah, like, I feel like that's pretty good. Like, I have a 3-day weekend every week. Go to class 4 times a week, 4 days a week. Excuse me. My classes, I have no early morning classes because I need my sleep. I stay up late, so I already knew that about myself. So my classes start at like 11, and I get out by like 5. Sometimes earlier than that. Some professors let us out early. Some professors are just stingy and annoying, so they just hold you. Even if they're done teaching their lesson, they just hold you there because why, I don't know, but that's what they do. It's college. I kind of like it. It's like I'm very to myself when I'm there. I don't really talk at all. I'm just very there. I'm very focused, and I'm just focused on doing my work and completing my work. So I feel like I don't have any distractions, and I kind of like that, you know. But I mean, it wouldn't hurt to have some friends. I'm not saying I want some. I'm not fiending for some friends. You know what I mean? But like, having friends would be cool. I feel like it'll be a little bit more exciting, and it'll feel less of a drag, because it's slowly just feeling like it's work, and that's cool and that's fine. But you know, sometimes I just wanna relax. You know? Yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah. I know like eventually I'll make some friends. If not friends, acquaintances or something, you know. If not, well then, so be it. Till then, I'm just friends with my friends from high school. Like, we're inseparable. I feel like we're gonna be friends like forever. Like, hopefully we stay friends throughout the whole 4 years of college, and after that, I don't know. Who knows? Only life will tell you. You can feel like somebody's gonna be in your life forever, and then things just go crazy. So I'm just not even gonna talk about that. Okay, that's I'm not even gonna talk about it. I was in high school. By now, the first week of school, I already had like a little clique, a little group of friends that I was with, and yeah. But that's high school, and this is college. And in college, nobody's really focusing on that because everybody's already had their fair share of fake people and people doing it wrong and stuff like that. So in college, it's just basically like, I just want to graduate. That's literally how I feel. Like, I just want to be done already. Like, it's only been my first week. It's only been my first week of school, and I just want to be done. Like, my semester ends in December, and we're in September. I have a long way to go. I just really want it to fly by the way high school flew by. High school really flew by. While I was in the moment, I don't know. It's like, while I was in the moment, it flew by, but then now I'm looking back at it, it didn't really fly by. I want this for college, too. I want it to fly by, and then when I reflect, I'm just like, whoa, a lot happened. Feel me? I just want to be done already. Like, I'm just so eager to be done so I can finally feel like I can start doing what I want and and what I love. And what I really want to be is a model, whether it's an Instagram model, a commercial model, high fashion model, whatever. A glam model, whatever. Like, I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna find my muse, find my wave, and I'm gonna do what I have to do to get where I want to be. If I don't end up being a model, I will be a businesswoman. Whether a businesswoman meaning like I don't want to have my own business, though that would be cool. I just don't see myself doing that. I am more of the type of person to like support somebody, so I would be like someone's manager, something like that. You know, I like to help people out and stuff. I don't like to, I don't know, is it weird? Like, I don't like to like I like to make my own stuff, you know what I mean? Create my own things. But I feel way better when I'm supporting someone, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm a great support system. I don't know, call me cocky or whatever, but I feel like I'm a great support system. And I just don't feel like people are good at supporting me. Like, how can I say it? Like, where am I going with this? I feel like I'm better at supporting people than receiving support, because I feel like I can do it myself. And I feel like some people just really can't fulfill that of being supportive of people. So I'd rather just be the one supporting people. You get what I'm saying? My mom is my number one supporter. You know what I mean? Like, she's like the only person. Like, her and like my sister and my friends. But yeah. I prefer to be the one supporting than being the one getting supported. Honestly, I don't even know where I'm going with this video. I'm just talking. But yeah, college is college. No friends. It's just kind of like a whole new world. But it's like the same world, but in a different light. It's just weird. It's like almost like I have so much like time to myself, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna have that soon, because it's only the first week and then the work is gonna start to pile up and stuff. But I just have so much time to myself, like, I don't even know. Yeah, I'm tired. I just came back from the movies with my friends, and I was like, I'm gonna go make a video. I don't know what I was talking about in this video, honestly. I have no idea what I was saying, but I thought you guys I should like express my first week of college. So I guess, I don't know, every college is different, because my friends within their first week of college, they were getting a whole bunch of homework and stuff, but for me it wasn't really that bad. You know, I guess the way that my schedule is set up is really good. So it's a really good balance with the classes. Like, there's really no way and no reason why I should be behind with any of my assignments the way my schedule is set up. I see some teachers once a week and they only have us in there for like an hour and 30 minutes. So there's literally no reason why I should be behind on any assignment. It just feels really good for me right now. The only thing is that I don't have a social life in college. Outside of college I do, but in college I don't. I mean, that's not really a problem, but you get what I'm saying. Like, I feel like I'm feeling for some friends, like I said before. But having some friends there would be nice. Having a laugh every once in a while. You know, just having somebody there to talk to. Other than my one friend from high school. Because I don't even see him every day. Or in between my classes even. Like, so... yeah, that's all I have to say. Sorry if I'm talking weird. My wisdom tooth is growing in the back, at the bottom row in the back, and that shit hurt. Yeah. Don't forget to leave some video ideas down below. Leave some comments. Subscribe to my channel. And if you want a video, maybe in the future, about a month from now, like my first month of college or something like that, let me know and I'll do it and it'll be great. Oh, one more thing, I got my ears pierced. For all of you that didn't know, all the videos you saw me in and I had earrings on, it was clip-ons. I had you fooled, didn't I? But yeah, these are now earrings. Look at the back. Boop. Look at the other one. Bloop. So yeah, I got my ears pierced or whatever. Big 1-8. Oh yeah, I turned 18. September 9th is my birthday. So much happened, like, and I didn't even catch any of it on camera. I'm gonna start to record everything, literally, because I want to document things. As I was saying, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for 61 subscribers. We out here winning, you know. So just thanks for the support and everything. I've been getting quite a bit of support lately. And I've been getting some comments, so that's great. Thank you. Thanks. So with that being said, I see y'all later, and I'm hungry. So why am I still talking? Bye guys.